Ready? Alright guys, today we're going to show you a DIY for a disinfecting spray that you can do at home. It's very cheap and simple to make. Here we have our items. First thing you want to do is keep safety in mind. Wear gloves at all times with handling bleach especially, so you don't burn your hands. These are medium-sized gloves. It can be any size, which does not matter. Remember that bleach kills 99.9% of bacteria and any viruses on any surfaces. Right now that we're going through the coronavirus pandemic and you can't find any Lysol or wipes, this is perfect. I'm sure you guys have plenty of Clorox at home. So what I want to show you here is how to make it. What you want to do is get the correct measurements. Right here what we have is a 1/4 cup. Just an empty 4 cups. What we're going to be mixing is a 3/4 cup of bleach and a gallon of water. First thing you want to do is get your empty bottle of Clorox. Right here I have an empty one. I do have a full one right here, which we will be using. This one you can get at your local cash and carry. It does not have to be any brand as long as there is bleach. So let's go right ahead and get it going for you. Smells good, smells clean. There we go. It's back in there. There's one. There's two. And there's 3. Bam! Alright, now that we got our Clorox or bleach in the empty container, let's go ahead and fill it up with some water. Alright, so what you want to do is put on your gloves, fresh pair of gloves again. Go ahead and put on our mask. And let's fight this coronavirus. Now you got your mask on, let's go ahead and label our bottle that we will be using it. The reason you want to label this is so you don't confuse it with any other liquid that is in your household, or your kids don't grab it and mistake it for a glass cleaner. So let's go ahead and put bleach. Go ahead, use the same funnel that you used in the beginning, put it in there, and now that this is all mixed up, let's go ahead and pour some of this into this container. Close it black out. Now you got your disinfectant spray. When using it, make sure that you spray it and let it sit for about 5 minutes. That way it can kill any bacteria that's been sitting on the surface or any viruses. Okay guys, these are the items that we used today. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. If you guys have any questions, any comments, make sure that you leave that at the bottom section of the video. Make sure you hit that like. If you don't like it, leave a comment at that video of why you don't like it and what I can do to make this better, what you can do to help me make this better. Other than that, I hope you guys are staying safe at home. Make sure that you hit that subscribe button for new videos that are coming in the future. Hope you guys enjoy. Stop.
Stop.